What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Finna do this updated brow routine. 2 products, 1 video. Let's get to it. First, I'm gonna start by adding a little translucent powder to my eyebrows. My skin is very oily, and what this does is keep it from looking so shiny throughout the day. So I'm combing my brows up, and then I'm gonna outline the bottom of my brow with the product. Red lips, I have Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pomade in the color Expresso. Brown lips, I'll be using Milani Stay Put Brow Color. So now I'm brushing my brows downward with the spoolie, and I'm going to outline the top of my brow. Once I got it outlined, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the sparse areas. And it's okay if you get a little messy, if you make it a little too big, whatever. If you mess up, it's okay, because the next step is to clean it up with the concealer, and you can go in and fix any imperfections. I'm going to take some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and carve out or clean up the brow. I'm going to go in on the bottom and underline my brow, and then I'm going to go on top and do half of the brow. I only do half of the brow because I don't like the look of the halo eyebrow. So yeah, after that, we done. Blend your concealer out and you good to go.